2012 Ford Econoline handicap wheelchair conversion, VMI Tuscany conversion, 64,000 original miles. Gorgeous, gorgeous van, laser straight, clean Carfax, clean title, very, very nice van. We have sold this van twice already in the past. Unfortunately, the previous owner no longer needed it, so they called us up and asked us if we would like to buy it back, and we said yes. We do that quite often. This is a gorgeous van, southern van, spent its life in the south. It has no rust, extremely rare find right now. Again, 2012 Ford Econoline, 5.4 liter VMI Tuscany handicap wheelchair conversion, side entry wheelchair lift, 600-pound capacity, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. It does have a rear power folding bed, lowered floor in the rear, super clean all the way around. Give you the full tour. You won't find another one like it anywhere. It's that nice. Exterior shows beautifully. Silver. The stripes are in nice shape. A lot of times those get faded out. The paint shines beautifully. It's got Michelin LTX tires. They're not brand new, but they do have plenty of life left on them. The frame is perfect. Very, very nice, clean van. VMI Ricon S-Series lift. We are a certified service center and dealer for all of the wheelchair brands, wheelchair company brands, Braun Ability. We service and maintenance if you need any adaptive controls, hand controls, lockdown systems, easy lock, Q-lock, anything. This has rear power folding bench seat bed, as you can see. It does have the teardrop light, infinity light in the ceiling. Everything is working and functioning exactly the way it's supposed to. It's a very nice, clean van. It's kind of hard to see the infinity light setup. Does come with Q-straight tie-down retractors. Comes with a ton of original paperwork, maintenance records. I know this van very well. Like I said, we have had this van in inventory twice. So I know this van, and I know it's a great van, and I know the customers that I sold it to, and they were very picky and took really great care of it. So it's a non-smoker, clean Carfax all the way. As you can see, the interior is beautiful. 64,601 miles. The previous client bought it from us at roughly 59 or 60,000 miles. Radio works, everything is functioning and operating the way it's supposed to. Ice cold air. Here's all your switches for your bed, sofa, the lighting. There is a brake controller here for the tow package. Again, you got all your manuals, extra keys, extra key fobs. Beautiful, beautiful van. As you can see, the floor, it has hardcore rubber floor. It's got your tie-down system. It's got your seat belt. This thing is plug and play and ready to go. Very nice and clean. A lot of these old Fords are in bad shape. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help you at any time. We've been in business 48 years. It's what we do. We buy and sell new and used handicap vans. We sell new as well. Come visit us at our showroom in Boca Raton, Florida. We only have 5-star reviews. We have the best vans in the world. We can accept anything in trade, and we ship to anywhere in the world as well. So just feel free to reach out to us. We've got a gorgeous 2012. It's a 5.4 liter 2012 Ford E150. It is on the recreational chassis, so it has a beefed up chassis. It does have backup camera as well. Power folding bed, showed you how that worked. The carpet is immaculate, no staining. This thing's beautiful. The seats, very fresh inside. No smells, nothing funny. Hard to find a van like this, really. They don't make them anymore. If you're looking for a nice Ford, this is it right here. If you need any transfer seats, Q-locks, easy locks, any of that stuff, we can install them for you if you need it. Give us a call, we can get you a price on that. We're more than very fair on any of our service and parts. Platform lift, Ricon S-Series lift, Parts are still available for this. Super easy. It is functioning and operating exactly how it's supposed to. Look at this thing. Gorgeous. 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Give us a like, give us a follow. It's a gorgeous van. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Boca Raton, Florida. Only 5-star reviews. We have it all. Come see us in our showroom. Come take a test drive. We welcome any inspections that you might want. Check out the frame on this. You can see it's nice. We have not painted it. That is the frame. That is very, very nice and clean. This is all factory. You can see everything is very nice. Feel free to reach out anytime. Thank you.